Well, this is a 2017 BMW 320 with the N20. Doing an alternator. To get access and more room, we're going to remove this sensor, take off this connection or this hose clamp, take off this air box. Okay, to remove those, they just have some rubber grommets and pull straight up. Be careful because sometimes the plastic can rip, and this portion will be in here. You don't want to tear that. Now I'm going to take off this duct so I have a little bit more visibility, and we'll remove the belt. Okay, your tensioner is a 16. If you're a SAE type of guy, you got a 5/8. Also, I'm going to remove this evap hose and get that out of the way. All right, so it's clockwise tensioner. Go clockwise to release. Sorry, that wasn't a good shot, but clockwise to release, and you can release your tension. To release this hose, press the front and the back, and you can pull out. Same thing on this end, if you desire to remove that. Okay, so this tensioner must be removed in order to clear the alternator. Yes, I know there's plenty of videos of this. Why not one more? So these inverted Torx or E-sockets, I'm going to remove those and get that out of the way. So there are actually 3 E10 inverted Torx or E-sockets, E-bolts. 3 rather than 2. Now that we have that off, look like that's an E12, 1, 2, and we have like a 13, maybe a 15, and our electrical connector. See if I go ahead and pull that off. Take a look at that. Looks okay, I guess. Yeah, just a 1 prong. Go ahead and take those. I think E12s. One bolt is longer than the other. The bottom bolt longer than the top. All right. So that was a 13 millimeter.
I think I need some new rears.
To remove that, you need some new rears.
Yep.
I used a pry bar to get in between here and get it started. It was already able to move back and forth, but once I was able to get that to move to the right towards the driver's side, I was able to wiggle it out. Just for reference, this might work. You might make the video cut. All right, I think that's the way. Okay. I was able to orientate it and not have to remove anything else off and get it out. All right, got that Rock Auto Special. Seems legit, TYC, brand new. All right, so we're gonna go in reverse order. Hopefully this will slide in the same way the old one came out. And we will begin to go in reverse order. Okay, that went in pretty nicely. Got everything hooked up. I was able to gain this access by tucking this over in the corner. Just kind of keeping an eye on this and maneuvering it past the alternator. And now we're just gonna put it all back together and try it out.